Welcome to our roundup of the best nail gun options available right now. Whether you are working on home improvement projects, furniture assembly, trim work, or light construction tasks, having the right nail gun can save time, improve accuracy, and deliver professional-looking results. In this video, we have carefully selected top-performing nail guns that balance power, safety, and ease of use. We will walk you through what each model does best, covering performance, versatility, build quality, and user comfort, so you can confidently choose the right tool for your needs. Stick around until the end, because the final pick might surprise you. Let's get started. The first on the list is the Luku F50C. The Luku F50C straight nail gun is a reliable choice for users who want solid performance without unnecessary complexity. High-impact aluminum body, tool-free depth adjustment, and jam-release mechanism make this nail gun efficient and beginner-friendly right out of the box. Designed for straight nails, it delivers consistent driving power that works well for framing, fencing, and general woodworking projects around the home or workshop. This nail gun focuses on stability and precision. The ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue during extended use, while the balanced weight distribution makes it easier to control, even for overhead tasks. Overall, the Luku F50C is a dependable straight nail gun that offers smooth operation, solid build quality, and practical features, making it a good entry-level option for DIYers and light professional use. Next up is the TaskStar 18-gauge electric nail gun. The TaskStar 18-gauge 2-in-1 electric nail gun is designed for versatility and convenience. Staple and brad nail compatibility, electric-powered operation, and compact lightweight design make it ideal for trim work, upholstery, and small repair jobs. Since it runs on electricity, there is no need for compressors or gas cartridges, which simplifies setup and maintenance. This model performs especially well for indoor projects. The consistent firing power ensures clean nail placement without damaging delicate materials like softwood or thin panels. Its slim nose design allows better visibility, helping users place fasteners accurately. Overall, the TaskStar 18-gauge is a practical and easy-to-use electric nail gun that excels in precision tasks, making it a great choice for home improvement enthusiasts who want versatility without extra hassle. Next, we have the OneVin 2-in-1 electric nail gun. The OneVin 2-in-1 brushless electric nail gun steps things up with improved efficiency and durability. Brushless motor technology, dual-function nail and staple support, and cordless convenience give this tool a strong edge in performance and flexibility. The brushless motor delivers consistent power while reducing heat and extending tool lifespan. This nail gun is built for users who need mobility. Without cords or air hoses, it allows free movement across job sites, making it suitable for cabinetry, furniture building, and renovation projects. The fast response trigger ensures smooth firing, while the adjustable depth control helps achieve professional results on different materials. Overall, the OneVin 2-in-1 is a powerful and efficient cordless nail gun that combines modern motor technology with practical versatility, making it a smart upgrade for serious DIYers. Coming in at number 2, we have the Nomax LD40N. The Nomax LD40N lithium steel nail gun is built for speed and reliability. Lithium battery power, steel drive mechanism, and fast sequential firing make it a strong performer for demanding tasks. It delivers quick, consistent shots that are ideal for framing, decking, and structural work without the need for air compressors. This nail gun is designed with productivity in mind. The durable steel components enhance driving force and long-term reliability, while the ergonomic grip improves comfort during extended projects. Its battery system provides dependable runtime, allowing users to complete large jobs with fewer interruptions. The integrated safety nose and anti-dry fire protection further improve control and reduce material damage. Overall, the Nomax LD40N stands out as a tough and efficient cordless nail gun that balances power and durability, making it an excellent option for frequent users who need dependable performance. The last one on our list is the Electric Goddess cordless nail gun. The Electric Goddess cordless electric nail gun takes the top spot thanks to its balanced design and user-focused features. High-capacity battery, multi-material compatibility, and advanced safety system make it a standout choice for a wide range of projects. It delivers strong driving power while maintaining smooth and controlled operation. This model is especially appealing for homeowners and professionals alike. The quick-charge battery ensures minimal downtime, while the adjustable depth settings allow precise fastening across hardwood, softwood, and composite materials. Its well-designed grip and lightweight construction make it comfortable to use for long sessions, even in tight spaces. Overall, the Electric Goddess cordless nail gun offers excellent performance, safety, and versatility, making it the most well-rounded option on this list for anyone looking for a reliable all-in-one nail gun. So, that wraps up our roundup of the best nail guns available. If this guide helped you make a better decision, be sure to give the video a like and subscribe for more tool reviews and buying guides like this one. All the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.